In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up storage on Microsoft Outlook 365. If your Outlook mailbox is close to its limit, this quick cleanup will help you reclaim space fast. We'll do everything right inside Outlook on the web using the built-in storage tools, so there's nothing extra to install. Keep in mind that the actions we take permanently delete messages, so pause for a moment to make sure there's nothing you still need before confirming any prompts. Start by opening your web browser and going to Outlook on the web. Sign in if you're prompted. Once your mailbox loads, look to the upper right corner and click the Settings gear icon. This opens a panel with options that affect your account and mailbox. From there, go to Account, then choose Storage. This takes you to Outlook's storage dashboard. It shows how much space you've used and, more importantly, gives you controls to clear out messages by folder without hunting through your inbox manually. Next, expand the email storage dropdown. You'll see a breakdown of major folders and how much space each one is using. This view is helpful because you can target the folders that typically grow the fastest, like deleted items and sent items, and also see the impact your inbox and drafts are having on your quota. To free up space, use the empty option next to each folder you want to clear. Start with deleted items since that content is already marked for removal, then move on to your inbox, drafts, and sent items. When you click empty, Outlook will prompt you with a selection option. Choose Select All so every item in that folder is included. This saves you from having to select messages one by one. When you're ready, click OK to confirm. Outlook will begin deleting the selected messages immediately. Repeat the same process. Click Empty, choose Select All, and click OK for each folder you intend to clear. Be especially careful with the inbox and drafts, as those often contain work in progress or important threads. If there's anything critical, review it first or save any attachments you might need later. After you've emptied the folders, give Outlook a moment to update your storage usage. You can refresh the page or return to the storage view to see the new total. If the number doesn't change right away, that's normal. It can take a short time to reflect the cleanup. And that's it. By opening Settings, going to Account and Storage, expanding email storage, and using the Empty, Select All, and OK sequence, you've freed up mailbox space quickly and safely. Repeat this cleanup periodically to keep Outlook running smoothly.